Hi everyone. This video is a little different from all of the other videos that I've been doing. So guys, today I want to talk about myself, a little bit about me personally, what I do, professionally what I do, where do I come from, what was the whole motive of starting these videos, why have I started a YouTube channel, and a whole lot of questions that I feel that it's important for you guys to know, to understand the place that I come from and why I share what I share with you. So here it goes. So starting with where do I belong? I did my schooling in Lucknow till 7th standard, and after that, since my dad was in a transferable job, we moved to Mumbai. I have lived in Mumbai for the largest part of my life, which is about 18 years, and it obviously has played a great role in what I am today, my life's learnings. In 2014, I have shifted to Delhi NCR. A little bit about my educational background. Not a lot of people know that I have a bachelor's degree in cosmetic technology. When I talk about skincare and other products that you must use, and if I recommend them, it just doesn't come out of anywhere. So I have studied all of this before in my graduation. So I am more of a people's person. I'm more of a communication person. I just like things to be very, dynamic in nature around me. So after my graduation, I moved on to do an MBA. I have specialized into marketing, and post my MBA, I started off with a very well-known brand in the market into corporate sales. My career, I won't go into a lot of details, but currently I hold a mid-management level position with one of the corporates, and I work there as a brand manager. So having said that, yes, if I am doing things on YouTube and social media, I do have a good enough knowledge about it. I know how marketing works. I have been working in this field. I am currently working in this field. Moreover, to top that, I have also done a course in digital marketing, and from digital marketing, I have been looking professionally into a lot of digital platforms for my company, for my company's business, and for me personally as well. Now that I am connected with you guys on the social platforms, I am sort of using this to the best of my knowledge as well. Why did I start a YouTube channel? Now, I had been planning to start a YouTube channel for the longest time. Maybe not YouTube, to be very specific, but I wanted to be on the social platform. I wanted to share a lot of things, with the people around me, people I know, people I don't know. I personally feel that every day is a new learning. There are new challenges, small or big, we all face in our lives. And there have been a lot of times when, I've been faced by a situation and I have had no clue as to what to do about it. So I've researched, I've found out things, I've, managed to sail through the challenge that I had. And sometimes I feel it's very important that, this kind of information is available. So the whole idea was to put that information out there, whatever I have learned, whatever my knowledge is. I just wanted to put it out there on the platform so that a lot of you guys who are, having similar questions, who are facing similar situations, can actually benefit out of that. So that was my main motive of starting a YouTube channel. Of course, I wanted to do it since a very long time, and it took me a lockdown to actually get started. When do I do this? So normally I have a full-time job. Monday to Fridays are mostly consumed in my office work, and normally YouTube is something that I do on the weekends. I'm doing it on the side, but it does require a lot of effort. It does require a lot of time and a lot of perseverance to actually go through. I think I have about 15 videos up right now. I think 15 or 16, I'm not sure. But even in this small journey that I have started, there have been already a lot of times where I felt that, you know, I cannot go through this because it's a lot of hard work. I love to watch a lot of movies. I love to Netflix. All of that time is gone. My weekends are for YouTube. My weekdays are for my office. So personal time is almost as good as nil right now. But I am enjoying what I'm doing. I just love the way you guys have been so sweet to me all this while. Right from my first video, I've had so many people, so many friends come to me and tell me that, you know, the work that I'm doing is really good and I should continue. So that motivation really keeps me going. And yeah, here I am managing a job and a YouTube, but I'm really loving what I'm doing. Why do I make skincare and beauty related videos? Now, like I told you, for a long time I really wanted to start with something. So my whole idea of the channel and to get it to a place is very different. I want my platform and my content to be highly relatable to everybody. So I started with skincare because I myself personally had not been paying a lot of attention to my skin over the last couple of years. I think sales profile and, you know, a very demanding job sort of leaves you with very little time to actually focus on yourself and take care of your skin. But since over a year now, I did realize that it was taking a toll on my skin, and that's when I, you know, started to research a lot. And I started doing a lot of, you know, I started paying a lot of attention to skincare. It's been a long journey. I have experimented with a lot of things. I have researched a lot of things. I only share with you guys what has definitely worked for me. So any of the content that is there on my channel, that is there on my Instagram, is nothing that I don't personally do. Where do I want to take this channel? So like I told you, I want this channel to focus more on lifestyle. There's a lot of amazing content that is coming up. I wanted to start with this particular section into skincare and a little bit of makeup because I thought it was relatable with a lot of you girls and with a lot of you women. So that's what I started with, but I have a whole lot of fresh ideas, new ideas that I want to share with you guys in the professional front, in the personal front, in maybe home decor, finance, and a lot of other things that I want to share with you guys through my personal experience, of course. So yes, wait for a lot of new sort of content coming up, and hopefully I get time to do that very, very soon. But they are all planned, so just stay patient. Why don't I do a lot of makeup looks and makeup videos? Guys, if you know me and if you've been a part of my life, you know that I'm a very no makeup, low makeup sort of a person. I personally don't like to put on a lot of makeup. So I have started. You'll find me doing more of, you know, beginner makeup videos and beginner tutorials because I still feel that I'm a beginner there. Although I have learned a lot of things, a lot of techniques, but I feel that unless I know what I'm sharing with you guys is definitely what works for me, I don't want to put the content out there. So yes, stay tuned for a lot of beginner tutorials and beginner makeup videos, but more elaborate looks, I think it'll take some time. I would want to push it to a little later stage of my YouTube journey with you guys. You'll see a lot of relatable stuff. So my normal day looks like, you know, I sometimes wake up late, or you know, I wake up just in time for a meeting. I'm running helter skelter here and there. So my life is actually, as my name goes, you know, a very chaotic life. I think I'm the one who makes it because I'm constantly at something or the other. Through this journey, I sort of go through a lot, and that's what I want to share with you. I want to share that journey with you. I want to share that learning with you. So what I want the channel and what I want my Instagram platform to be is very, very relatable so that you and I can actually connect. So yes, I'm very excited about this journey that I have just started a couple of months ago, but all the love that you've given me, all the encouragement that you've given me, a lot of my friends and family and extended family. I really, really do thank you a lot. And please keep loving me the way you have already, and it really keeps me motivated. So, yes, guys, stay tuned for a lot of more amazing, relatable content coming your way. Bye.